Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Is Mobile. I hope you all are doing good. So I have started a new playlist for iPhone beginners or for the new users of iPhone, and in this playlist I'll just give you some easy tips that will be helpful for you if you are a new user of iPhone or if you want to learn the basics of iPhone. So as you have seen the title also, that in today's video I'll tell you that how you can reset your iPhone or how you can erase all the content from your iPhone. So before just jumping into the video, go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon also. If you like this video, then do thumbs up also, and do comment also, share it with your friends also. So let's just start, and I'm just going into settings. So here we are now in settings, and we have to just scroll up, and here is the option of general. So you'll also get this option of general, and then you have to just tap on this option. You have to go inside this, and then you have to just scroll up. So after scrolling up, here at the end will be an option of transfer or reset iPhone. So you have to go into that. So simply now we are in this option, and here's the option of reset. If you'll just press this, or if you'll just tap on this option, then it will be the option of confirmation. If you'll confirm that, then your iPhone will get reset. And if you want to erase all content and settings only, so you can just tap on this second option that is below the reset option, erase all content and settings. So this is the method to reset your iPhone or to erase all the content and settings of your iPhone. Now the other thing that I'll tell you is that how you can shut down your iPhone. So if you just simply want to shut down your iPhone, then you can just tap on this. From here you will just go back. Now here on this screen at the end and most option is shutdown. So you'll just tap on this option, and there will be a confirmation notification. If you'll just confirm that, then your iPhone will get shut down, so or will get power off, like simple, and then you can again power it on. So these were the simple topics that I wanted to discuss in today's video, and I hope that this video will be helpful for you if you are a new user or if you are a beginner for iPhone. And I hope you like this video. If you liked it, then give it a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends also, and do comment also. Thanks. And for further watching this kind of videos, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.